Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I share with you how to make Indomie noodles with vegetables and chicken, spicy chicken. I have all the recipe in one video. So to begin, I'm going to pour in the instant noodles in a pot of hot water, hot boiling water to be precise. And while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead to chop some carrots, some spring onions, and some spicy pepper. So for this instant noodles, you can cook it to your desired taste, but I like it spicy. But if you don't want it very spicy, just add maybe one or two pepper, okay? And Indomie is a Nigerian street food. It is an instant food, instant noodles, as the name implies. It is very easy to make, and you can make it to your desired taste just as you crave for it. Some people use Indomie and egg, Indomie and fish, Indomie and shrimp, Indomie seafood, just how you want it. So it's been boiling for some minutes now, and I can see that the noodles is actually getting soft a little bit, but it's not completely soft yet. So I'm just going to give it a quick stir, and I will still allow it to get more soft. Guys, after some minutes, it's way softer than it was before. It's time for me to add the spices or the seasoning that came with the instant noodles. This Indomie vegetable recipe is very easy to make, and if you want to stir fry, that's a different recipe on its own. This one is one pot instant noodles. Everything goes into the pot, as you can see. Everything goes into the pot. So after adding the spices, I'm going to stir the noodles for some time and cover it again. So I covered it for just few seconds, and I noticed the water is almost dried up and the noodles is still a little bit high. So I added the chicken stock to get that chicken flavor. Yes, that is what I want. So I added the chicken stock and allowed the flavor to mix together. Now this is a pepper that I sliced. This is Scotch bonnet. It's a very spicy pepper. It makes your noodles very spicy, so be careful not to add a lot of it into your Indomie, okay? So after that, I give it a quick stir, and I'm still going to add the other vegetables, but I want the pepper to get cooked with the Indomie so that the flavor can enter into it very well. So guys, it's been some minutes here. I'm back to add the rest of the vegetables, but before then I add just a little drizzle of vegetable oil. This will make your noodles not to stick together. This is the secret. If you don't want your noodles to be sticky when it's colder, just add a little bit of vegetable oil. So I added a sliced carrots, spring onions, and real bell pepper with just a little bit of vegetable. You can use scent leaf or ugu leaf, any vegetable of your choice. It makes your food to be full of nutritious, healthy option instead of egg or meat or whatever. Vegetable is a very good alternative. So it's ready now. Time to prepare the chicken. I went ahead to season the chicken, but I want you to know that you can season with your favorite season. It's up to you. Anyhow, any kind of season you like, any herbs and spices you like to cook your chicken with, just do it your own way. But if you want to see my own recipe of this spicy chicken, you have to check my previous video. I made a whole video of how to make spicy chicken. Pre-cook the chicken until it's soft, cook until after cooking, fry until it is golden brown, fry the chicken until it is golden brown, and then make a pepper or spicy sauce to your desired taste, and then just wrap the sauce in the chicken, stir very well until it is fully combined, and then add just few drops of vegetables, and also the chicken stock. That's the water you get from cooking the chicken. Add a little drop of it and let it simmer for a few minutes, and your spicy chicken is ready to be served with your Indomie noodles. There you have it. What do you think of this recipe? It's so easy and delicious, also satisfying. Leave a comment, a like, and share this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check out my other videos. I have a goosey soup, I have okra soup recipe, vegetable soup recipe, carrot juice recipe, cucumber juice recipe, Nigerian street food, fried yam and pepper sauce, pineapple juice recipe. I also do fruit mukbang, ASMR eating, fried turkey, lifestyle and gardening, also amazing jollof rice recipes. Bye.